Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this cute little plant stand using Dollar Tree materials. I am using these 2x12 pieces of wood, 4 packs of shelves, 1 pack of the smaller shelf, some Jenga blocks, and about 3 packs of super glue. I'm adding these Jenga blocks to give this whole structure more stability and to help with gluing the pieces together. So I'm using 6 Jenga blocks and I'm lining them up around one of the longer shelves. So as you can see, when it's time to glue the sides on, we'll have a little bit more surface area to glue the pieces on together. I'm going to glue these down, making sure they are in line with the edge of the shelf. And I have some clips that will hold them down while they dry. And you really want to give them a good amount of time to dry. As much as I wanted to, you really can't rush this part of the process. While that dries, I'm going to take 4 of these wood pieces and create 2 longer pieces by gluing 2 together. The sanding is optional. Some of my pieces were really rough and I just wanted to smooth out those areas a bit. To help these pieces stay together, I'm gluing 2 more blocks on the back side. Now I'm going to add 2 more blocks to the smaller shelves, the same way I did with the first shelf. Now that I've given everything a good amount of time to dry, it's time to assemble. Starting with one side, apply a generous amount of glue to attach the second piece of wood. Next, I'm going to take one of the smaller shelves and glue it to the two longer shelves. Make sure to align everything as best as you can. Some of these shelves were a little warped, making it a little difficult. And for the two smaller shelves, I'm going to add a few more Jenga blocks on both sides for a little more security. Flipping this over, now we are looking at the front, and I'm going to glue on two of the 2x12s. When I glue them down, I'm making sure I line it up as best as I can with the sides of the longer shelf. I'm going to flip this over, and I'm taking my two pieces that I glued together and gluing that to the back side. Once I have them in place, I'm adding something with a little bit of weight to keep them in place. I've given this whole thing about an hour of dry time, so I'm going to carefully flip this over and glue on the last piece. Definitely make sure you pay attention which side you have facing up, because I wasn't paying attention and look at this big old crack. And the back, I mean, it looks fine. That could have been the front. So just keep in mind which side you have facing up. Now the fun part, choose any kind of paint. I decided to go with a pink spray paint to go along with a springtime theme. Now to add a little bit more embellishments to the chair, I'm adding these cute little tacks, also from Dollar Tree, to cover up all the holes from the shelves. And lastly, I'm just going to add this welcome sign that I made with my Cricut. I have two plants in a 6-inch grower pot, and I was able to squeeze those just a little bit to get them inside. And I would definitely recommend taking your plants out to water them. Don't water them inside this planter because you got to remember this is Dollar Tree material. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafting videos. Thank you so much for watching.